So in a previous video, I glued these front rails in and also removed the clear plastic protective film. And so today I'm working on the back here. You can see the film is still in place. You can't really see through the plastic very well. And so my job today is I want to mark. I've got this back plate perfectly aligned with this panel here. That's where I want it to be. I'm going to mark in with green tape this line here, and then when I remove it, I'm going to use a Dremel tool to abrade it slightly to give it a little more grip. So I'm going to take some tape here and just put across it. And then it'll just give me a little reference point. So now I can remove the floor from the chamber. And so now I'm just going to see if I can push this down. There we go. Some heavy equipment outside. So get that moved down. So I can run a Dremel across this. Right, I want to keep it inside the green line there. And it won't take much, just enough to give the adhesive something to grip to. So that's all I need right there. I'll show you, see if I can zoom in on that. Or maybe move this to you. So you can see I just got a little light groove in it. Just I wanted to give it something for the adhesive to grip. And so now I'm going to bring back the chamber. And install this back in there. And so I can remove the tape. And what I need to do now is mix up some glue. So now I'm going to mix the adhesive. I've got a mark on my cap, and I make sure I put the cap back the same way in order to avoid cross-contamination of the two-part urethane adhesive. So I'm dispensing equal parts into this cup. And now I'm going to put the cap back, making sure that I get it the same orientation. And I've got 10 minutes to work with this mix and get it positioned before it starts to cure. And then supposedly 3 hours until it achieves its set. I usually let it sit overnight. It's a 2-part clear adhesive, so it's a little hard to really tell when you get it. So I tend to try to overmix it when I'm using it in this way. So now I'm going to go ahead and just put a little of this on these stainless steel rods here. And fortunately, this the plastic has a protective film, and that serves to keep the excess adhesive off of the plastic. Once you're done working, you just peel away the protective film and you're left with a pretty clean result. And if the film wasn't there, I'd have to put some tape on there or something to get that same clear effect. And there's so many of these rods together holding, I think it's going to stay together very well. I think you could even have some of them not properly stuck on one end, as long as there's adjacent ones around it. I think you'd be fine. But my goal is to get it all solidly locked. So there, I've got the adhesive on it, and I'm just going to go back and try and make it equal. The rods fit fairly snugly in the holes I drilled. The rods are 0.125 inch and the hole is a 0.128. So it's plastic, so it's a fairly good fit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move this back as close as I can see it to the proper place. And I think the adhesive actually allows it to move easier. I think it acts as like a lubricant. So now I've got it kind of where I want it. I'm going to go ahead and put the panel back in place. That's what I'm going to use to gauge proper alignment. I want it to be properly aligned with this top panel. And so what I'm looking for is on the inside more than the outside. I can see that I'm hitting a little bit. I'm going to push it just a little further. And yeah, the adhesive is making it very, very easy to locate this. And I'm also going to go take this opportunity to swipe through here and get any excess off that I can. I believe that'll do it.